Ellie Price, from the PM election desk with Ellie Price, went to meet peer Peter Shawyer, who heard we were going to visit and invited us to have a look around his business. And it gave us a chance to feature a business perspective of the election on the programme.
It was number 45 on our tombola. Welcome to Bexley Heath and Crayford. Now, it's on the east edge of Greater London, nestled south of the River Thames. Interesting facts: it's the birthplace of Kate Bush and where Delia Smith went to school. Now, it's been a Conservative seat for nearly 20 years, with the Tories gaining a 13,000 majority at the last election. I'm standing on the edge of Thames Road, a dual carriageway on both sides. I can see several warehouses, industrial units, and a transit van showroom just up the road. Local industries in this area, though, have declined, and it's now basically part of London's commuter belt. It's just a few miles away from the M25 Dartford crossing. Now, one of our listeners has been in touch and invited me in to tell me more about the area.
Hello, Ellie.
Hello, Peter. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much.
Are you going to show me around?
Let's have a tour. So here we make a whole range of electronics for lots of different other companies. So it's a business-to-business type thing. So we make radar processing units, blood analysis systems, a whole range of products, of which you'll see some of these. And these machines here are what are known as surface mount machines, and they're placing parts on the circuit board automatically using a robot arms. And there's 4 machines that do that here.
Tell me what a business like yours, or in the position that you're in, what do you want from the election? What do you want from the next government, whoever it may be?
I would like stability, continuity, not lots of change. Because trying to cope with lots of change is not easy as a business. And we will solve most problems, but if too many of them come at us at one time, it makes it very difficult.
And what sort of things are you worried about?
Clearly worried about taxation and how that will affect the business and what's going to go on with that, and an increase in rules, regulations, and problems in that area, really.
The other sort of local to you issue here, I mean, there's signs as I drive in. This is a ULEZ zone, isn't it?
We're in a ULEZ zone by about 250 yards, and it's caused chaos for us because so many members of staff live outside in Kent, so they had no scrappage scheme, no support. But couldn't afford the money to buy a new car or pay the fines. And it's been an ongoing problem. We lost a few people. It's just another burden that after a while, you think, how many more things can the local government and the national government put on you to do with no output, no gain? They complain about efficiency, but you've got all these things to do that don't give you any output. What's the point?
Both main parties are setting themselves up to be the party of business. Is anyone a party of business?
I don't think so. Not my. You see, the government will look at supporting start-ups and small little enterprises, and they will pay loads of money to have a large company come and set up in wherever. But the majority of the businesses in the UK are small, medium-sized businesses like ours. I haven't seen anybody from the government in the last 15 years.
Peter Shawyer at Bexley Heath and Crayford talking to Ellie Price there. Now, it is